Skull Picker, and it's Stock Lock Sunday. So, I'm going to try to pick a stock lock on Sunday. Hashtag Stock Lock Sunday. Anyway, okay, so what we're going to do is I just tried picking this for the first time. I raked it open. So, we're going to see how good I can do. I don't have a key for it. This came from across the pond. And it's a Ura. So, let's see. I did rake it open. But I haven't been able to single pin pick it. I sure want to. And we're going to sure try. See what we can do. It's one hell of a keyway too, so we're getting this bad boy out, the abalone shell. Mother of pearl, depending on what you like to call it. This one I can actually sit down at the bottom and go. Alright, no, so no I can't. But this is a Wes Pool, and he makes magic wands. Let's see what we can do. There's one, nothing. Two, a little click. Three, a good click. Four feels a little weird. There's, no, five was four. Ugh, just dropped one. There's some counter. Where are you at? Why are you doing that? Unless I'm on the warding. Yeah, I'm on the fucking warding. No. Oh well. What's going on here? Let me try from down here. Let me try this. See how we do at bottom of the keyway. One. Two ain't giving me much. Three. Four did just give me something. And there's five. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. I feel like I should be top of the keyway now. Let's do a little change up. Let's do a change up. See what happens with one, two. What are you doing there? Three, four. One, two. Is that a... And the word is screwing me up because I'm trying to lift on one and it feels like it's giving me counter rotation. One. See if I can get in there and tickle the pins. Come on. Come on. Oh You son of a mother son of a. I'm so calm that it's okay, 'cause I'm calm. Let me try the old city rake. Is that working? Try something I learned from Bozzy and Bill and me and Gus were talking about. You stick that in there all the way, and then you put a little bit of tension on there. Oh, you son of a... Alright, not working. Come on, I just want a confidence booster before I try single pen picking it again. Why are you being a dick about it? I'm on. Why you gotta be like that? I don't understand. I opened it up once. I just want to be a jerk. You're just trying to be a jerk. 1, 2, 3. On 3. 4, 5. I love having a double-ended pick. It's nice. It's real nice. Well, this is a prime example of shit picking right here. I'm trying my DeForest. I've been trying my DeForest a lot lately. See. She's in there getting some things done now. Ah! Damn it. Let's try it the other way. Let's see what happens going counterclockwise. Yeah, I just don't understand why. I literally just opened this 5 minutes ago. That's why I was like, ah, screw it. Let's do a video. And now, she don't want to do anything for me. That's alright, though. That's alright. Just as long as we're having fun, right? I'm not having fun. Nah, I'm just kidding, I am. I'm having fun. Come on. Alright. I'm having fun. Let's see if we can go in here and bully some pins around, though. Literally shit moving. Huh. The clothes are done. What the hell was that? Ten minutes. Huh. To be honest, really would like to get this open, especially because I did. You know what? You know what? What? Let's see. Okay. Ooh! Sorry about that. Let's see what we can do right here. Back up a smidget. There we go. Look at that. She opened up. Now, let's see if I can do that. I'm picking my hand. Huh. I think I'll pen picked it. I think I'll pen picked it. Yeah, I think I'll pen picked it. You know what? I don't have a key for it, so I'm gonna leave it open. And we're gonna gut this bastard because I haven't gutted nothing in forever. Well, I've been gutting it by myself, but I gave my goat wrench away, which kind of shit. How do I get this thing out now? Yeah. Let's do this. No, how do I? Oh, ooh, damn it! I can just see myself. I'm getting hurt. Yep. This is the day. This might be a little bit of a long video because I don't want to get hurt, y'all. Shit. I also don't want the damn thing to... Let me get my Robotron thing out here and see if... Fuck. Oh! Damn it! I locked it back up. Does that really matter? I hope not. Oh, well, that was a fucking piece of crap. Yep, it does. That matters. Shit. Can I do it again? Can I do it again? Can I do it again? Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on. I can't believe I finally get to... I got an open. And I get to gut something. which sucks because I'm already like forever. This is gonna be a 20-minute video. That's all right, because it's been a really long time since I've. Oh shit! I got it. It's been a really long time since I have. Gutted something. Well, let's be honest with you. You guys haven't seen me single pin pick something. Well, I guess I did it this weekend. I'm gonna shut up now. No, I'm not. This is my channel. I'm just talking to myself now. So, shimmadong ding. Shimmadong ding right there. Shimmadong ding. And then oh, come on. Oh. Alright, is that gonna work? Shimmadong day. Hey, it worked. Alright, can you guys see everything? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, I might even get a damn near perfect. I might get a perfect whatchamacallit? Go this way, fuck it. Take my shim out. Might be a perfect gut too. That'd be cool. What the hell is that? Oh. Damn it, they're gonna be standards. That's okay though. It's Stock Lock Sunday. Stock Lock Sunday. Brought to you by the Skull Picker. I need to have a damn moonshine company. Let me just see if Southern Moonshine will did I do that right? Yeah. If they'll sponsor me. I don't know how long, I honestly don't know how long it's been since I've done a gutting on camera. But apparently, I've gotten damn good at it. Because check this shit out. Damn it. Hey, I found it. I found it in carpet. Hells to the yeah. Hells to the yes. I don't have a key. There's that. I got it with that spring's got all kinds of dog hair on it now. Alright, 20-minute video, but you know what? Fuck it, because I got it single pin picked open, and I got it raked open. And I'm pretty damn proud of myself on that one, guys. Pretty damn proud, to be honest with you. I mean, I know it's an easy ass. Let's see if I can get a better close up. Oops. That's what we got in there. That's what we got in there. May not have been easy, or may not have been hard. Wasn't stacked very, very cool, but you know what? Fuck it. It's a win-win. Stock lock Sunday, single pin picked, raked, and gutted. If you like what I'm doing, throw me some thumbs up. Oops. If you really like what I'm doing, hit the subscribe button down there. Love y'all. Peace.